Michael, so what's the verse again? And where do we find that? No, in Nahum 1:7. Very good. Elijah, what's the Bible verse that you learned today?
He cares for those who trust him.
That's awesome, dude. You already memorized it. All right, Ethan. Ready?
Mommy.
Say he.
Mommy.
Listen.
I want to do a...
Stop. Look at me, Ethan. Say he cares for those who trust in him. Say Nahum 1. No, not 2. Say 1:7.
She almost got it though.
Say 7. No, not 9. Awesome. Naila, say the Bible verse. Okay, so say it. What is it? Say it. Say he cares for those who what? Who trust in him. Say Nahum 1:7. Awesome. Say goodnight. Say goodnight, Ethan. Say love you, Dad.
Mommy, can I hold all of these plates when I take a picture?
Yes. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Look at here.
Bye,
Say,
Daddy.
say I love you.
I love you.